My name is Martine Pinchot, and I teach grade 4. I've been teaching for 27 years, and I've taught levels ranging from junior kindergarten to grade 8. One of the reasons I really like the iRover 2 is because it really helps me to engage shy kids. They don't need to talk to me, they can show me what they know and what they're thinking by using the iRover 2. So when I have students who are too shy to participate in class or too shy to speak, I like to pull the board down, tilt it forward a little bit on the iRover, and then create small breakout groups where the students can then interact with each other and the board on a one-on-one basis, and at that point they can show me what they can do without the fear of speaking in front of a larger group. One of the features that I really like about the iRover 2 is that the height is adjustable so that I can lift it up when we are doing a shared reading lesson and the students can all participate from their desks. Having my board mobile means that I can decide how to set up my class for months or days at a time. I'm not forced to use a mounted smartboard and to arrange my classroom around it. It means that I can create multiple formats and multiple spaces within my classroom. Sometimes in the morning, my board is up and ready to go. The students see the board and they say, "Oh yes, what are we doing today?" They're keen and motivated. They can't wait to see what the lesson is or how they will use the board. So there's always a bit of that guesswork going on that engages them at the start of the day. Another benefit of the iRover 2 is when I teach a lesson and have the students working in groups, it allows me to look at their learning styles. So while some students do their work on the digital side, others are working on the whiteboard side, and yet another group will work with manipulatives. So I can circulate around the students and watch them while they perform with each task. Some of the physical features that I absolutely love on the iRover 2 are the power bar and the cable management, which makes things so much neater and tidier. I also find the shelf for the laptop really helpful. It's got a lip, which means that I can leave my laptop there and the children can use it, and it's quite secure. I don't have to worry about shuffling it around, and it means it's just in a nice, safe and secure place. I also really love the wide grip green handles. They make the iRover 2 so easy to steer and manipulate and drive from one area to another. And that means I can move it on my own, or even my students can move it. My favorite part of the iRover 2 though is the whiteboard and the storage section on the back. So for me, what that means is that I can have students on the front side as well as the back side, and it allows them to be working on two different things in one place where I can observe what they're doing on both sides. And there's always room for storage and things that I could put in there, like dry mark erasers and any other kind of manipulatives that I'm going to need for that lesson. I would just want this one to stay in my room forever, and I'd be happy if everybody else had one too so that they wouldn't take mine.
I would take it when I go on vacations in my house, in my room, because I probably want to do some like activities in my room when I get bored. In my house, definitely. I would take it to Fantasyland in my dreams.